What is up, YouTube, man? How y'all doing, man? Listen, if you're new to the channel, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Don't hide. I'm gonna give y'all a little brief POV, you know what I'm saying? Just to drop something for you guys, man. Of course, yeah, I'm still loving the Catless. Next video, I might talk about, you know, how I feel about the Catless and, you know, what you should know with the pros and cons about it. So if you're new to the channel, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Don't hide. Without further ado, we're gonna go ahead and do this one-star/co-star, let y'all see this thing, let y'all hear this thing, and we're gonna get it rolling. Let's go. Had Yo, what's happening, YouTube? Give y'all a quick little POV, man. Just a quick little POV. I'm just driving real quick to the crib. Yeah, Hold on. Over. Do y'all think I got it? Yep, I do. Catless going dumb now. I be driving that bit crazy. I gotta do a little flyby videos for y'all. Woo! That bitch just popped. Too done with it, and then, bro, I told you I've been had that engine light because of that right there, my gas cap shit, the evac. So if you go look at my recent videos, my old videos, you've been seeing that engine light on, talking about something that shit came because of the cat. No, it did not. I could put that odometer to let that bit read and let you see. It ain't gonna see nothing but that damn evac shit that I already know. Stop playing with me, boy. Know what the hell I'm doing. Now I made sure I looked at them damn videos and made sure nobody engine light came on, even during when they had it for years or whatever, months. Damn, that bitch sound good. That bitch sound good though, boy. Down just for a little bit. It's traffic everywhere. I was gonna do a 60, got down to 100 for y'all, but being ready to take off on mine. Tell y'all better get with it. I can't roll this one now. I just did my 10. I messed up, but I had to do it because it was already messed up. So I just had to help and throw something on there. You feel me? I know how to do it though. I can redo it later down the line. Ain't nothing but $20. Ain't nothing but $20. Come on now. I ain't even see any cops coming. I'm about to probably burn out for y'all real quick. And, yo, come on. Let's see if this car goes real quick. Tell y'all, this thing get. And I don't know about y'all, but if y'all got the same RT as I do, man, this joint feel like it done added a little bit more horsepower, no doubt. I gotta get some gas in a little bit. That bit getting low, I'm hitting it like that. Boy, doing that construction work. You're in your lane now. Damn, so going straight. Straight with it. Okay. RT. Alright, trying to get y'all 60 to 100. You ready on this little roll? Hold on. It's gonna be quick. Let's see if we can reach it real quick. See if we can reach it real quick. As soon as I hit 6, I'm gone. Couldn't do it. I couldn't do it. This car in front of me. I need to go on the highway for y'all, but hey, a little something. That shit did push though. That shit did push, y'all. Bitch said bang, bang. I love the way that bitch sitting now. That bitch sound like it's goddamn on demon time. And if you don't believe, watch it. Let me slow down a little bit and just hit it for y'all. Watch this. Listen to it. Watch this. Woo! I'm trying to tell y'all, boy, that bitch feel like a scat on the look. What? Man, like, comment, and subscribe, don't hide, man. I just want to give y'all this video real quick, man. Just to post something, keep y'all updated, man. I got more videos coming on the way. More videos coming on the way. I got y'all. Yeah.